Shut up and sit down.
Small, like sunglasses. It has a 96-degree immersive field of view, and it's compatible with SteamVR. Most AR glasses promise to give you an experience like this, but delivered through a product like this. With the optical technology we invented, dual-channel mixed optics, Mix remains slim in size, but comes with a 96-degree FoV. The virtual image will cover almost the entire field of view, and it's mixed with the environment naturally. It's truly an immersive AR experience. Let's test the FoV. Hello, Mr. Terminator.
Hello, everyone.
One of Mr. Terminator's eyeballs is a camera. It can measure the view of every device. The FoV in Mix is much broader than many other devices. Now, let's fasten a camera behind the glass to show how you feel with Mix. While connected to a PC, Mix can run on SteamVR. Existing SteamVR applications with a dark background can be used directly on Mix. It will give you a fresh AR experience with existing VR content. Mix supports positional tracking so that virtual objects can be combined with the real environment. And there are optional controllers, eye tracking and hand tracking. If you have already developed VR apps on SteamVR, just clear the background and apply the black skybox. Then your VR project will transfer to AR. We are collaborating with community partners to create new AR games. You can also hack with Mix in different ways. We hope more and more developers can join us and develop more AR apps. We've been demoting Mix around the world at events such as GDC, SVVR, and VRLA, and have been getting feedback from the community.
It was very interesting. Really good. Field of view. The field of view is really great. It's good, actually. That's a very good field of view. It's a really wide field of view.
It's good. It's immersive.
The field of view is great. It's very compact. I think it's the lightest moment I've ever tried. The FoV is like this. Much bigger field of view. I think I can walk into it. Oh man, very awesome. Oh my goodness, that's cool.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Qin Zhen, the founder of SteamVR. 4 years ago, at the very beginning of our startup, you the backers on Kickstarter help us to make our first VR devices come to life. After that, we founded with Sequoia, we built partnerships with many big companies. For example, Lenovo, Motorola, OnePlus, and AOC. Over the past 4 years, we've already sold over 1 million VR devices. Our product has been used in the market of Europe, US, China, India, and many others. AR is more exciting than VR. 6 years ago, I started to dream about an ultimate glasses which you can wear all day long. Since then, we started to research and develop for it. We never forget what we've been pursuing from the very beginning. We've achieved a lot with the help of you, the most creative people, the backers of Kickstarter. We hope Mix can bring you the ultimate incredible adventures once again. That's why we are back on Kickstarter. We can't wait to bring you such a revolutionary product to the community. So please help us to explore the future of AR and VR. Join us, and thanks to your support. Kickstarter!